In just a few weeks, the Supreme Court will hand down a ruling that will determine whether we are free to decline to provide services for same-sex weddings based on religious conscience, or, quite frankly, whether the First Amendment is effectively a dead letter. That amendment guarantees that the government shall make no law abridging the free exercise of one's religion. And yet we have reached a point in America where we must all sit and wait for 9 unelected justices to tell us whether our constitutional rights still exist. How did we ever come to this point? Just a few years ago, we were told that Christians had nothing to worry about regarding same-sex marriage, that if we disapproved of it, we could simply ignore it. Fast forward just a couple of years, and religious objections to same-sex marriage are now being criminalized in many parts of the country. Our founders gave us a constitution to codify our rights because they knew of the twin dangers of an overbearing government and of mob rule. They set up a system in which unpopular speech and unpopular religious views would be protected, since those are the only kind of speech and religion that need protecting. We have reason to hope that the High Court will rule correctly on this case, not the least of which is the presence of the newest justice, Neil Gorsuch. But something has gone dreadfully wrong when we have to beg a court to affirm what the First Amendment clearly declares. Thomas Jefferson once warned that the Constitution could become a mere thing of wax in the hands of the judiciary, which they may twist and shape into any form they may please. Our constitutional system is broken. It's broken because the left long ago seized the reins of power in the judiciary. It's time to take that power away from unelected judges who were never supposed to have it to begin with. And it's time to honor those who sacrificed their lives to preserve our freedom by upholding the Constitution that enshrines those very freedoms.